My name is Electra Graham Bowman, and I was diagnosed with H. pylori bacteria in my stomach. And for the past 7 to 8 months, I had all the signs of burning, pain, vomiting sometimes, and all the discomforts in my stomach. I tried everything possible. Omeprazole, all the PPIs to help me with this infection. So I eventually saw my primary care doctor, who referred me to a gastroenterologist after the test came back positive for H. pylori. My gastroenterologist said he's going to do an endoscopy on me. He's going to look into my stomach and he's going to do a biopsy. And when he does the biopsy and the results comes back, he's going to treat me with antibiotics. After treating me with the antibiotics, I was supposed to repeat a stool test within a certain amount of months to see if the H. pylori bacteria was still there. So we went ahead with the plan, but before going ahead with the plan, I decided I was going to seek some advice. So I spoke with Miss Nan Piggott, and she introduced me to Atomy probiotics, prebiotic probiotics. So I started it, and I've been on it for about 2 months. I noticed my symptoms started to subside, but I continue to use it and watch what I eat. So eventually my date came for my endoscopy. My gastroenterologist did my biopsy on my stomach, and within 2 weeks after my biopsy, I had to return for my results. I returned for my results, and my gastroenterologist was smiling. So I knew it was some good news, but I didn't know what it was. So then he asked me, what did I use for my stomach? So I said, I asked him another question. What do you mean, doctor? So he said to me, I did your biopsy. You had no treatment for the H. pylori, but I did your biopsy, and there is no H. pylori there. Your stomach is clean. There is nothing going on there. So even though I showed positive in the blood, the H. pylori was not there. But there were signs that stated that I had the H. pylori, but it was treated. So then I turned to my gastroenterologist and I told him about the treatment I was on, that I was using this probiotics from Atomy, and then I switched to the probiotics only, and I would use the Hemohim, and that's all I used. So he said to me,